Planning to buy a condo soon? Bukod sa monthly amortization, may ilang cost na kailangan mong malaman para mas maayos mong maplano ang budget mo. Normal lang ito sa condo ownership at kapag prepared ka, mas nagiging smooth at stress-free ang experience mo bilang homeowner. Una, merong association dues. Ito yung ginagamit para sa maintenance ng building, like security, cleaning ng common areas, elevators, at amenities tulad ng pool or gym. Meron ding real property tax na binabayaran yearly sa local government. Sa ibang buildings naman, may move-in or admin fees kapag lilipat ka na sa unit. At kung may sasakyan ka, pwede ka rin mag-avail ng parking slot depende kung available sa project. Ang maganda dito, kapag alam mo na agad ang expenses na to, mas madali mong maplan ang finances mo at mas ma-enjoy mo ang pagiging condo owner. Remember, buying a condo is not just about having your own space. It's also about investing in convenience, location, and long-term value. If you want to learn more tips about condo ownership and smart property buying, follow me for more simple guides.